Hey everyone, welcome back to Little K Artistry. This is Little K Artistry. I know it doesn't look like it. I'm not in my studio today, I'm actually in my living room. I found a new way to use my new spinner that I made, and I poured the abstract cellism on it, and I couldn't figure out what to do with it. I put a little bit of plastic wrap on it, and I'm using it for my texture piece. So I protected it with a little bit of plastic wrap. And what I'm doing now is I'm adding a little bit of volume to this piece before I do a final sanding and then give it some paint. I am really enjoying the soft, smooth lines. And technically this is texture art, but I mean, I don't know. That looks pretty fluid to me. Does it look fluid to you? So once I get done adding a little bit more volume, I'm just trying to smooth out these. They kind of look like ribs. I'm just kind of trying to smooth them out a little bit. And then once I get done smoothing them all out and getting them exactly the way I want them, then I'm going to do a final sanding, and then this piece is going to get some paint. And I don't want to give away too much because I want to surprise you. This piece is really, this has been a labor of love. I've been working on this for a long time because it's my first. It's taking me a little bit longer, but I don't want to give too much away. I do have a pigment that I think I want to use on this one because it's a very smooth, soft, flowing piece, and I want something very soft, maybe a pastel. I'm not sure yet, but it's going to be beautiful. So check back, and I will most likely post another video when I get painting it, but it is going to need to cure and dry completely before I can add any paint to it. Also wanted to let you know I am releasing my Little K Artistry, one of my pouring mediums, next week. I will be releasing it on the 15th of August. And I'm not sure what the date is today, but I know it is not the 15th. And I believe it will be a week from tomorrow. If you're watching this the day that I posted it, I will be releasing my Little K Artistry, one of my pouring mediums, and it is the pouring medium that I use for all of the blowouts that I use with my hair dryer. So anything that is the pictures that are the paintings and the pieces that are similar to Renske Downier's Dutch pours, or anything that requires a blowout of the hair dryer, like the ones that look like feathers, the pieces that look like feathers, or botanicals with a blowout. So basically anything that needs to be thin enough to blow out with a hairdryer. I will be releasing that. It's a very simple, very inexpensive pouring medium that I have discovered that works for me, and I will be releasing that on August 15th. And then following that, I will be releasing some of my other pouring mediums. I'm really excited to share those with you. I want to thank you all for subscribing if you have. If you haven't, please do. And also give a shout out in the comments. Let me know what you think of this piece so far. And also let me know from where in the world you are watching, because we have a growing list of countries and states of amazingly beautiful, wonderful people just like you who are watching all over the world. And I love to hear about the different states and countries where you guys all live and where you're watching from. So please leave a comment about that. And also let me know if you're excited for the release of my pouring medium. I'm excited to share that with you. And I guess that's about it. I'm going to go back to this very relaxing, super enjoyable art form. And I wish you all a beautiful day. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. It's about 3 p.m. here where I am. And I hope you all have a beautiful day. Thank you so much for subscribing and for your comments and your wonderful support. And this is Little K at Little K Artistry. I'm reminding you to just Just make the art.